In today's video, I'll show you how to create the viral AI winter scene effect. First, open your web browser and go to Google Gemini. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once the Gemini page loads, look for the image upload option and select the photo you want to use. You only need one clear image for this effect, preferably a portrait or a well-lit photo. After uploading your photo, paste the AI prompt into Gemini. You can find this prompt in the description of this video. Double check that your image is attached and the prompt is pasted correctly. Then press enter and wait a few seconds while Gemini processes your request. Within moments, Gemini will generate a stunning 3-panel winter scene, transforming your original photo into a snowy, cinematic landscape. Once you're happy with the final result, download the generated image to your device. And that's it. This is how you can easily create the viral AI winter effect using Google Gemini with just one photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.